Apple smart glasses are coming. And they'll change everything. Apple just changed the game again. You've heard of the Vision Pro. But what if we told you Apple is secretly building something smaller, lighter, and wearable every single day? Introducing Apple smart glasses. And they're not science fiction anymore. Let's break down the leaks, the features, and the timeline that proves. The future is right in front of your eyes. What are Apple smart glasses? These aren't bulky goggles. Apple's first-gen glasses will look like regular Ray-Bans, but with built-in microphones, speakers, and an AI brain powered by Siri. No bulky AR screen. No complicated setup. Just wear them, and they'll become your smartest accessory. Leaked features, confirmed by analysts. Here's what insiders say Apple glasses will include. Microphone voice control via Siri. Raised open hand gesture sensors on the frame. Cameras for photos, video, and environment detection. Headphone built-in speakers with spatial audio. Link symbol iPhone tethering, like AirPods, but smarter. And thanks to AI, they'll know what you're looking at and help you understand it. Imagine live translations, real-time directions, and more right through your glasses. When are they coming? Mass production is rumored for mid-2027. But a reveal? That could happen as soon as late 2026. Apple is known for playing the long game, just like they did with AirPods. Expect the one more thing moment to blow our minds. Again. The battle for your face. Meta already launched AI glasses. Amazon is testing theirs too. But Apple is betting on style plus intelligence, not flashy displays. And if there's one thing Apple's good at, it's turning niche tech into everyday must-haves. This is just the beginning. Apple is also building AR glasses, think Vision Pro, shrunk into everyday wear. Coming in 2028 or later, those will change how we see the world. But for now, Apple glasses might just replace your iPhone in your daily life. So, would you wear Apple smart glasses? Let us know in the comments. Write down pointing backhand index, smash that like button. Subscribe for future tech, and as always, stay curious.